The 21st century has witnessed a technological revolution, and at its forefront lies cryptocurrency, a digital form of money that is reshaping the financial landscape. From Bitcoin's meteoric rise to the emergence of thousands of alternative coins, the world is captivated by the potential of this new asset class. But what exactly is cryptocurrency, and how does it work? This digital gold rush has sparked curiosity and confusion in equal measure. Skeptics dismiss it as a passing fad, while proponents hail it as the future of finance. This essay delves into the world of cryptocurrency, demystifying its complexities and exploring its potential impact on our lives. Join us as we embark on a journey to understand this revolutionary technology and its implications for the future of money. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, this guide will provide a clear and concise overview of the exciting world of cryptocurrency. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, typically based on a technology called blockchain. This means they are not controlled by any single entity, making them resistant to censorship and manipulation. Imagine a digital ledger that records every transaction made with a particular cryptocurrency. This ledger is not stored in a single location, but is distributed across a vast network of computers. Each transaction is verified and added to the ledger through a process called mining. This decentralized and transparent nature of cryptocurrency has led many to believe it could revolutionize the way we think about and use money. It offers the potential for faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions, while also providing financial inclusion to those without access to traditional banking systems. The blockchain is the underlying technology that powers most cryptocurrencies. It acts as a digital ledger that records all transactions in a secure and transparent manner. Think of it as a chain of blocks, with each block containing a record of multiple transactions. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This immutability is one of the key features that makes blockchain so secure. Each block is linked to the previous block, creating a chronological chain of transactions that is publicly verifiable. This decentralized and tamper-proof nature of blockchain has far-reaching implications beyond cryptocurrency. It has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from supply chain management to voting systems, by providing a secure and transparent way to track and verify data. Mining is the process by which new transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Miners are essentially the bookkeepers of the cryptocurrency world. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem gets to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and is rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency. This process not only ensures the security and integrity of the network, but also controls the creation of new coins. Mining is a competitive process, with miners constantly racing to solve the next block. This competition ensures that the blockchain remains secure and that no single entity can control the network. However, it also requires significant computing power and energy consumption. Section 5. Crypto's allure. Advantages and opportunities. Cryptocurrencies offer a range of potential advantages over traditional financial systems. One of the most significant is their decentralized nature. As they are not controlled by governments or financial institutions, cryptocurrencies are immune to many of the problems that plague traditional currencies, such as inflation and manipulation. Another key advantage is the speed and low cost of transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions can be processed much faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers, especially for international payments. This is because there are no intermediaries involved, and transactions are processed 24/7. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies offer greater transparency and security. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, which is publicly accessible. This makes it very difficult to commit fraud or double-spend coins. Section 6. Navigating the risks, volatility, and beyond. While cryptocurrencies offer many potential benefits, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. One of the most notable risks is the high volatility of the market. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly, making them a risky investment. Security is another concern. As cryptocurrencies are digital assets, they are vulnerable to hacking and theft. It's crucial to store your cryptocurrencies securely and be aware of the risks involved. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this new asset class, and regulations can vary widely from country to country. It's essential to stay informed about the latest regulations in your jurisdiction. Section 7. The regulatory landscape, taming the Wild West. The decentralized and anonymous nature of cryptocurrencies has posed challenges for regulators worldwide. Governments and financial institutions are working to establish frameworks to prevent illicit activities like money laundering and tax evasion, while also fostering innovation in this emerging sector. Some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies, creating clear regulations for their use and taxation. Others have taken a more cautious approach, imposing restrictions or outright bans. This evolving regulatory landscape adds another layer of complexity for both individuals and businesses looking to engage with cryptocurrencies. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem matures, we can expect to see more comprehensive and standardized regulations emerge. This will likely involve collaboration between governments, financial institutions, and the cryptocurrency community to strike a balance between fostering innovation and mitigating risks. Section 8. Looking ahead, a future shaped by crypto. The future of cryptocurrency is full of potential and uncertainty. Some experts believe that cryptocurrencies will eventually replace traditional fiat currencies, while others see them coexisting as part of a diversified financial system. Regardless of their ultimate fate, cryptocurrencies have already had a profound impact on the financial world. They have sparked innovation, challenged the status quo, and empowered individuals by providing an alternative to traditional financial systems. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new and innovative applications emerge, potentially revolutionizing various industries and aspects of our lives. The next decade will likely be crucial for the development and adoption of cryptocurrencies, shaping the future of finance and beyond. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the digital revolution. Cryptocurrency is more than just a digital asset. It represents a paradigm shift in how we perceive and interact with money. Its decentralized nature, powered by the revolutionary technology of blockchain, has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and empower individuals globally. While risks and challenges remain, the potential benefits of cryptocurrencies, from faster, cheaper transactions to greater financial inclusion, are undeniable. As we navigate the evolving regulatory landscape and witness the continuous development of this technology, one thing is certain: cryptocurrency is here to stay. Whether cryptocurrency becomes the future of money or simply a part of a more diverse financial ecosystem, its impact on the world is undeniable. Embracing this digital revolution with a balanced understanding of its potential and risks will be crucial for individuals, businesses, and societies alike.